Let's talk about affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is a very smart way to make money for a few different reasons. One of these being you don't have to physically create a product. So if you're selling a book, you wouldn't have to actually write this book and then ship it out and package up orders for people. So with that being said, you don't have to handle any customer fulfillment. The only thing that you have to do with affiliate marketing is promoting. And I would consider affiliate marketing to be one of the laziest ways that you guys can start making some big money. There's so much information out there on affiliate marketing, which is why I wanted to specifically make this video, because I wanted to talk to the beginners just to get you guys on the right track and to get kind of an easy step-by-step guide on how to get started with affiliate marketing. I've been doing my research, and my brother Matt, check out his YouTube channel, which is Make Money Matt. He has been teaching me the roots of affiliate marketing and just what it's all about. So I've come up with a complete plan for you guys in the simplest way possible. And with this strategy that I'm going to go over, my brother has made $5,000 weekly just by doing these strategies with affiliate marketing. So it is proven to work for him, so I'm gonna try to make it work for you guys as well. So the first step is to simply find a product to promote. And you're gonna want to find the right products to promote, because this is the strategy that is going to set you up for success. You don't want to be selling a small product that nobody has ever heard of, or a product that you don't know what type of audience would actually buy this product. The market size for your specific product is very important. And when you choose to do affiliate marketing, you're gonna wanna make sure to stay within one niche. And what this means is just staying within one specific product type or a product audience. For example, if I'm an affiliate marketer for beauty products, that would be a niche of products. And I don't mean that you guys have to pick just one thing to promote. I'm just saying to pick different products within the same theme, if that makes sense. You also want to make sure to pick a product that has a high selling point, because then you would be getting more money for each item that you sell, because you are getting commission from this product. A good example of this would be my brother's course that he sells on Digistore. It is called Tube Mastery and Monetization. You can actually get an affiliate link for his course if that's something you're interested in. A few examples of different niches of products that you could sell within would include maybe health and wellness products. So you could maybe be an affiliate for different exercise equipment, different supplements, or different books on exercise and well-being. You could also be an affiliate marketer for actual just physical products. For example, maybe shoes or clothes or furniture, or you could strictly just stick to digital products. So again, my brother's course would be an example of that. But you want to make sure that you are picking a product that has a big audience. You don't want to be an affiliate marketer for things that only apply to a small group of people. After you've picked what you want to be an affiliate for, it is time to go to the specific product's website that you want to be an affiliate for and see if they have an affiliate program. And then you're going to want to make sure to join this affiliate program if they have one. If they don't, just keep looking for a different product. A really big example that I can think of is Amazon's affiliate program. I see a ton of people on like TikTok or Instagram. They have Amazon affiliate links for different products on Amazon, and they get a commission if we buy these products from their links. And affiliate programs will provide you with a custom link to promote to people, which is pretty cool. You'll feel pretty special with your own little magical link. And then you need to promote this link. But how do we exactly do this? Which brings us to our next step, which is choosing a platform to promote your link. Now, there are different types of platforms that you can promote an affiliate link on. Some of these platforms could be free, and some of these can be paid options. So let's make sure to jump into the free options first. And the first one is going to be our best friend, YouTube. Now, if you don't have a YouTube channel already, make sure to stay tuned to the end of this video, because I have a really helpful video for you guys to get started with YouTube. But that brings me to the point where people might be thinking YouTube and thinking, oh gosh, I don't want to sit in front of a camera and film videos like I'm doing right now. That is totally fine. You do not have to show your face on YouTube if you're not comfortable with it. You can simply make screen recording videos or use different stock footage and do a voiceover. The OBS software is a great tool to screen record your computer, and then you can even record a voiceover while you're screen recording your computer. So this is a really great way to promote your affiliate link and get it out there for people. You could put it in the description of your videos, promote it within your videos, pin it in the comment section of your videos. The next free option is going to be Instagram. You could make an Instagram theme page that relates to the niche of the products that you're selling. For example, if you're selling different beauty products, you could make an Instagram page that revolves all around beauty and makeup. But again, you don't even have to show your face to run an Instagram account. There are a lot of different accounts that I actually follow that just post simply products that these people are using. For example, makeup products. And you know what I do? I like, save, follow. And then you can promote your link on your Instagram page. And if you want to take it even further, you could buy shoutouts for your Instagram page to promote your Instagram even more. Or you can just include hashtags and try to grow your account organically. The next free option is going to be with a blog. You could simply just write articles about your specific niche and utilize WordPress to do this. You could also use a tool called Ubersuggest, and this is where you can find a ton of different article ideas. And if you're going the blog route, make sure to write about topics that are highly searched online. Because again, we want an audience. You could also make a Facebook account and make a free Facebook group for people to join. And the way that you can grow a Facebook group is by posting in other groups and giving value, and then fingers crossed these people come over to your Facebook group. And make your Facebook group super welcoming and be like, check out my free group if you guys want to join. And then you can promote these links within your group as well. Now we're gonna get into the paid options, which the first one is going to be through YouTube ads. You can actually put ads on different YouTube videos within your niche. And that is something that I have just learned. But you can do this by utilizing the website tubesift.com, and this will help you find different videos to actually put your ads on. Because again, we want to target the people that will actually buy the product that we are promoting, which is why we want to put our ads onto videos that relate within the niche of our product. That was a mouthful. Again, you could also pay for Instagram ads or shoutouts, or you can pay for Facebook ads as well. A lot of different products that have affiliate links will sometimes even give you ad material when you sign up for their affiliate program. For example, with my brother's course, they give you ad material to utilize already. So you could start with just one of these options that I gave you, and I recommend to just stick with that for a little while, and then over time you can add on different streams as well. Now let's get into our third step of the master plan, which is simply going to be posting high quality content. So with these different platforms that I provided for you that you're going to promote your link on, you're going to need to make sure that you're posting good content that makes people want to buy the product that you're promoting. And I found 4 different categories that your content should fit under. And the first one is going to be search engine optimization content research, or in abbreviation you could say SEO. You can buy different keyword tools to help make sure that you're using the right keywords within the content that you're putting out. For example, you could use Ahrefs to help you find the best keywords to use. And if you're not familiar with how to use something like this, do not stress. But you simply will just put a prompt or a word into this tool, and it will generate you different keywords that have a high search volume within the prompt that you just gave them. For example, you could simply just put your niche into this tool. And this will help you find which words and what types of articles you might need to write, or what types of videos on YouTube you should make. And now next we're going to talk about product reviews. And this is a type of content that is very popular, and it always has been, and it is also very good for beginners to start out with. So you could create a website that is giving reviews on the different products that you have an affiliate link for. A lot of the time we see ourselves buying products because another person recommended it to us. For example, sometimes when I'm watching YouTube and an influencer that I watch promotes maybe a lip gloss, and if they like that lip gloss, I'm like, oh my gosh, I have to have it. So simply reviewing products will get people to want to buy them. Now the next type of content I have for you is especially good if you're promoting something within the technology realm, which is going to be by making tutorials. Of course, you can still make tutorials with whatever product you're promoting. I keep making makeup our example niche today, so I'm just gonna stick with it. But let's say you're promoting beauty or makeup or skincare products. Might as well make a tutorial on how to use these products and then promote the affiliate link for the products that you're using. But with that being said, we can see that this actually works. If you are giving in-depth tutorials on how to use these different products that you're promoting, chances are people will be likely to buy them. And again, with content, a lot of it is about what type of value you're giving to your viewers, and also entertainment value as well. Now, the next type of content that I recommend is going to be different product comparisons. So you could find two different products within the same niche and compare them and then say why this one is better and have the affiliate link for that one. But also make sure to be honest with this as well. Now that we've talked about some types of content to make, let's talk about how to actually create this content. The truth is, writing scripts has become pretty easy nowadays. And this is due to the fact that AI is a big help with writing scripts for a lot of different creators. So you can do different research and provide an outline of what you're going to be talking about in a video or what you're going to write about in a blog post. And then you can put different prompts into ChatGPT to help you fill in the outline a little bit. And with ChatGPT being a tool to utilize, making money online has truly never been easier. But I also want to say, whenever you're using AI, to make sure that you're not copywriting anything. So I always just like to say to make sure to run whatever you've written through Copyscape to make sure that any copyright isn't going on at all. Okay, let's take a deep breath. Because you might be thinking, well, Kayla, this really doesn't seem like a lazy way to make money online. You just talked my ear off. But I also want to make sure to add some extra tips here to take your affiliate marketing to the next level. So what I've talked about before is kind of just the basis on how to set up affiliate marketing. So let's talk about how we can go even further with it in this portion of the video. So the first little extra bonus tip that I have for you guys is to maybe build an email list. And to do this, we need to find a way to gather your audience's emails. Literally all of the time, I can find myself scrolling on my phone and maybe looking at different clothes, and then I see a little coupon pop up saying if I enter my email, they'll give you 15% off on your next purchase. Well, we can do something kind of like this to gather our audience's emails. So that comparison that I just made is kind of what we're trying to do and what we're aiming for. So it is truly up to you on how you want to promote this email list to your audience. If you have a YouTube channel, you could promote your email list within your videos, or on your Instagram, you could post it on your Instagram stories for your viewers to see. And it's truly just up to your audience if they want to join this email list or not. But once your audience joins your email list, you will send out different newsletters just to basically kind of keep in touch and have even a closer connection with your audience. I'm part of Lana Del Rey's email list, and I get all kinds of updates on what type of music she's gonna sing or what tour she's gonna go on. So it's kind of a personal approach to your audience, and I recommend getting started with one pretty early on when you're trying to build your platform. The next thing I recommend doing is maybe making a social media account. And this is to simply just drive more traffic to your link if you're not already using a social media account to promote your link. So again, you could just create an Instagram page that revolves around the niche of the product that you're selling, or you could even make a Twitter account or a TikTok account. To me, it feels like TikTok nowadays has a lot more ads than it usually did in the past. So I guess this would be a good place to promote your affiliate link because I assume there's a lot of buyers on there. Now let's jump into our fifth step, which is optimization. And we can optimize our platforms by doing a few different things. The first way is to just stay in the know and stay in the present. And what I mean by this is to constantly be informed by the new products that are within your niche and just what is simply going on within your niche. We'll jump back to the makeup and the beauty niche. If there's a new product that everybody is raving about, oh, you have to try this lip gloss, you have to. This would be a good product to get an affiliate link for. Or maybe a product that you have an affiliate link for has a new upgrade. Well, make sure to stay up to date on these updates on your different products that you're promoting so you're aware and always staying up to date. Next, you can test different types of content or thumbnails or types of posts on Instagram or different hashtags and just simply see what is working for you. If you post a video on YouTube and you notice that a lot of the people liked when you talked about a certain topic, well then maybe expand more on that topic in your next video. Or if you post a video and you're talking about something and you notice whenever you talk about this one thing, people click off of your video, then I would suggest maybe not talking about that in your future videos. So this is just kind of looking at what you've done in the past, seeing what has worked and seeing what hasn't, and either continuing those things or choosing to stop other things. It's basically just kind of experimenting and doing little finishing touches. Now let's get into a bonus tip. Instead of just being an affiliate marketer, you could take it to the next level like my brother did, where he is actually being the one that is selling a course and then other people get his affiliate link. He actually makes over $100,000 a month by selling his own course, which is absolutely wild. So once you kind of figure out how affiliate marketing works, it wouldn't be a bad idea to create your own course that other people could get an affiliate link for through Digistore24. If that's something you're interested in, you can make a ton of money. And who doesn't like money? Another bonus extra secret tip is to create a bridge page, and you can utilize Kajabi to do this. But you could simply ask maybe your viewers for their emails to join your email list in exchange for a type of value. So whether this be maybe a free checklist or a document that gives some type of value within your niche. And then you can put your affiliate links within these documents, so you are not only giving your audience value, but you are also giving them your affiliate link as well. Now, if you guys are interested on how to make money with a faceless YouTube channel and just how to get started with one, make sure to click on this video. It'll go over a bunch of different niches that are performing super well and what type of content to create in those niches, how to monetize your channel and make as much money as possible. So just make sure to check it out. It's basically a free training course. So here it is. Make sure to watch it. See you guys there.